Alright guys, I'm going to record a quick video on the basics of how to get your Summoner War exporter running and how to upload it to the optimizer. And then I'll do another video that shows you the basics of kind of how to use it. I mean, self-explanatory once you use it, but yeah, so alright, so let's start off by coming down here to the Summoner War exporter. This is what you're going to use to take the data off of your phone, and it's going to make a JSON file which you'll have in a separate folder up here. So these are the two accounts that I work on. They'll always save in the same folder, and they'll overwrite the current one that you already have. So every time that you upload this, it'll replace the new one, so you're always just uploading the newest one. So this is the exporter. As you can see here, it says stop proxy, so it's already started. It's just waiting for you to plug your phone in to get it linked up to it. So you open your phone, plug your cord in here. Of course, stupid iTunes will pop up, and then I gotta turn that off. Hold on a second. Get rid of this garbage. Okay, alright, so once this is plugged in, all you have to do is go to your settings, go to your Wi-Fi, and go down here to your proxy and do it manually. Okay, once you have this, right here on the optimizer, you see up here is your server number, and then over here is your port code. So you put those into your phone right here. So server, they'll always stay the same, so you'll get used to typing these in if you use it a lot, like some of us do. Once you have those in, you save it. Now your phone should be linked up here. Yesterday when this wasn't working, it did not work when you did this. So now you open Summoner's War. Once you open this, you're going to see there should be a JSON file that gets created. Hopefully it works. Like I said, it didn't work yesterday. Yep, there it is. Okay, so now what happened is this JSON file was put into the folder that I showed you before, and it deleted the old one and it updated the new one. So you don't really have to keep it connected after this. Like anything you open now will actually, like if you open your shop, it'll actually populate on there all the information from the shop material. But yeah, once that's done, you can close the app, go back and stop your proxy. You don't have to stop it, it doesn't really matter, I just do it anyways. And then go back to your proxy here, put it back to off, save it, and then you're done with your phone. You can get rid of that. Alright, so now that we have our JSON file made, we don't need the exporter anymore. You're done with that. So now you're going to open up the Summoner's War optimizer. Now this is, I have it just as one of my bookmarks, but you have it here. Once you have this open, now this is online. The other one I have downloaded to my computer. Go to choose file. You're going to choose the file that is your account. Click choose and then import. When it imports, a little green box will pop up here. There it is. So that imported all your data, and now it has all of your monsters in here with all the runes and all the information that you have. This isn't an issue with privacy or data or anything, because all this does is it essentially makes an Excel file with all your information in it, and then imports it in here. So there's no password, no security that you have to really worry about because it doesn't get any of that information. So you have your monsters, you go here to this part, and this is where you can pick a monster and choose the runes that you want to put on it. You know, you have just so many options on here, it's insane. Once you search for runes, they'll pop up down here, and we can do a separate video about that. But that's the basics of it. That's how you get your information into Summoners War Optimizer to be able to use it. And like I said, the stuff on here is just insane how many other options there are and how much faster it makes it for ruining a monster. So there you go.